Chapter 6. Make it satisfying. The last step to making a long-term habit is to make it satisfying. Successful companies understand this concept and use it to their advantage. For example, toothpaste manufacturers saw great success when they added mint to their products. Mint allowed people to enjoy the act of brushing their teeth because it led to a satisfying, minty fresh feeling. If an experience isn't satisfying, it may not be repeated again. In the 1990s, Stephen Luby worked in a neighborhood in Karachi, Pakistan, as a public health researcher. During his time there, Luby achieved a 52% reduction in diarrhea among the local children. In addition, pneumonia rates dropped by 48% and skin infections by 35%. How did he achieve this? By introducing good soap. If you grew up in a westernized society, then you understand the importance of hand washing as a basic hygiene skill. Of course, the locals of the Pakistani neighborhood understood this as well, but they failed to create a healthy habit of washing hands. Luby recognized the need for a good soap to make the act of hand washing a satisfying experience. So he partnered with Procter & Gamble to introduce a premium soap to the neighborhood. Seemingly overnight, hand washing became satisfying. The new soap lathered well and smelled nice. People now enjoyed the pleasurable experience and made a habit of washing their hands. While washing our hands or brushing our teeth brings immediate satisfaction, many other habits don't. This is called a delayed reward environment. For instance, we go to work every day, but the reward of receiving a paycheck might not come until the end of the month. Similarly, you may start going to the gym every morning, but you won't see the rewards of weight loss and toned muscles until weeks or even months later. On the other hand, habits that result in immediate satisfaction might see delayed consequences. This is why people still smoke when they know the risks could cost them their lives. The consequence of cancer might not come until 20 years later, but at the moment, it relieves stress and satisfies that nicotine craving. Because of these delayed consequences and delayed rewards, it's important to attach immediate gratification to habits that you wish to pursue. For example, the author tells about his friends who wanted to kick the habit of going out to eat so they could get healthier and save more money. To do so, they opened a savings account they named Trip to Europe, and every time they avoided a meal out, they transferred $50 to the account. Seeing the money go into their savings created a sense of immediate gratification, so it encouraged them to keep up the habit. They made their habit satisfying, and eventually, they saw long-term rewards when they saved enough money to book their trip.